I was walking by and thought to tell you the 5 steps which will help you to go from average to fortune, and taught by Jim Rohn. Make sure you watch this complete video, and if you follow those 5 steps, nobody can stop you to achieve freedom and fortune in your life.
Step number 1, get serious. There is no substitute for that. You have to get serious for 2 things. Number 1, setting up your goal. Setting up your next 5 to 10 year goal is vitally important. Where do you want to go? What you want to achieve? Where you want to travel? Okay, what you want to share? How much you want to earn? It's very important for you to know that. So get serious. Second thing you have to get serious about is personal development. Personal development is striving hard to become a kind of person who you want to be. In next 10 years, you will become someone. But the big question is, who? You got to get serious, my friend. Step number 2, get smart. Nothing worse than being stupid in this world. Then how you can get smart? By attending live webinars, workshop and programs, and attending residential event, physical events, and getting ideas from the people. The only thing you have to do is keep your learning process steady to get smart. Step number 3, get going. All the knowledge you have learned till the time will not give you any results unless you put that into an action plan. It's like a man who is bringing all the materials on the building site but building nothing. You got to apply all the knowledge which you already have. My friend, take action right now and get going. Step number 4, get excited. Not just that false enthusiasm with pure positive thinking. No, you got to get serious on very basic things. One is get excited about your own ability to make yourself do the necessary things. What would I ask you to do starting from today is get excited about committing an act that positive, an act that constructive, to make the necessary changes in your life which you want, or to get direction which you want in your life. Step number 5 is get away. There is an important thing called life balance. You have to learn to get away and be alone. You have to learn to get away and reflect. You have to learn how to live and also how to earn. How sad it is to learn how to earn well, but not how to live well. You have to learn to balance this life. So these are the 5 steps to go from average to fortune by Jim Rohn. If you follow that, nobody can stop you to achieve fortune in your life. If you enjoyed this complete video, please make sure you like right now, share what are the steps you're going to follow, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel right now, because I will be posting this kind of valuable videos for you every day kind of. That's why your notification should be on to learn and enjoy from me. Go ahead, comment below right now what did you learn from this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.